It never hurts to remind you how quickly frostbite and hypothermia can set in, especially when there's a stiff wind in a North Dakota winter. Meteorologist Jacob Morse reminds us of some of the hazards we face.
You may think that the wind chill is just an arbitrary number when in fact there's actually some complicated math that goes into computing how it actually feels outside when the wind is blowing. This equation takes into account the air temperature, wind speed, and how fast our bodies lose heat. It ends up producing a handy table of numbers that we can use to determine the wind chill. Using this chart, if the air temperature is 10 below zero with a wind speed of 30 miles per hour, the wind chill will be 39 degrees below zero, and frostbite can develop in only 10 minutes on exposed skin. But at one point, do wind chill advisories and warnings get issued?
A wind chill advisory is when the wind chills are expected to be at least 25 degrees Fahrenheit below zero. And we go to a wind chill warning when that becomes 40 degrees below zero.
And during an extended cold snap, these advisories and warnings can be issued for a long period of time.
And that is really where we come into some safety issues in the winter, is when you have these sustained wind chills that are very, very cold, and people are just not meant to be outside for too long of a period when wind chills are that cold.
When the winds are calm, your body is able to radiate heat and create a layer of warmth between your skin and your surroundings. But with strong winds, the moving air breaks up this layer of heat around us and speeds up the heat loss by moving that heat away from our bodies.
Wearing lots of layers of clothing and really limiting your time outside when we have these extremely cold wind chills is really important.
Hypothermia can develop in as little as 10 minutes with a temperature of 30 below zero, so know the warning signs that range from confusion to stiff muscles and treat it as a medical emergency if someone's body temperature falls below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. We will continue Winter Weather Awareness Week tomorrow, talking about staying safe on the roads and highways.